Sabha, my lord. They prepared select list. It was forwarded for disbursement of the house, and fund is direct.
What is the case is pending?
My lord, case, my lord, appearance stage, my lord.
Appearance.
Lordship.
Search it submitted.
Lordship. Search is submitted after 8 years, my lord.
Heard Mr. R. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Ms. Endas, learned additional PP for the state respondent. In this petition, under section 482 CPC, the petitioner, namely Muzammil Hussain, right for quashing the proceeding of PRC case number 316 of 2023 under section 120B 406, 407, 409 IPC arising out of Salwar APS case number 57 of 2015, pending before the Court of Learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Baska Mosolpur. It is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one. Where is that order?
FIR was filed by Deputy Commissioner, my lord, on the base 14, my lord.
On the
On the
basis
basis
of
of a
one
complaint.
FIR lodged by one deputy, lodged by Deputy Commissioner.
Lordship.
Page number?
Case 14, my lord. Case 16. It was forwarded by DC, my lord, and filed by SP, my lord. Deputy Commissioner's forwarding page 18.
On the basis of one FIR lodged by Deputy Commissioner Baksha on 21/5/2015. Mr. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is no allegation in the FIR against the present petitioner, and that he is no way involved with the offense alleged in the FIR. And the allegation in the FIR relates to
Selection of beneficiaries.
selection of beneficiaries, in which the present petitioner has had no role to play, and that he was serving at the relevant point of time as
Block Development Officer.
block development officer, and no prosecution sanction was accorded. Whether cognizance was taken?
Cognizance taken. Page 42.
No prosecution sanction was accorded by the authority, but in spite of absence of the prosecution sanction, the learned court below has taken cognizance against the petitioner under section
120B 406 407
120B 406 407
7
and 409 IPC, and that in another criminal petition, being criminal petition number 563 of 2023, lodged by one Wazid Ali Ahmed, arising Wazid Ali Ahmed has filed another petition for quashing the proceeding of PRC case number so and so, so and so. And in the said case, this court void order dated 28/2/2024 was placed to grant stay. And therefore, Mr. Ali contended that the record from the learned court below may be called for, and in the meantime, further proceeding of PRC case number so and so pending before the court of learned. Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Baska may be state. Yes, madam.
For the report, Lordship.
Miss. And thus learned additional PP. On the other hand, submits that at this stage only the case ID, no, only the record of the court below may be called for. Whereas having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the record is found to be necessary, and accordingly it is provided that Registrar call for the record of PRC case number 316 of 2023, arising out of Salvar APS case number 57 of 2015, pending before the court of learned. Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Baska. Fixing the matter on
20th May 20.
and in the interim, having considered the submission of learned advocates of both the parties and also considering the facts and circumstances on the record, a prima facie case for staying the further proceeding of the PRC case number so and so appears to be made out, and accordingly, further proceeding of the PRC case number so and so pending before the court of learned. Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Baska stands state.
Item number 3.
The PRS bill application, my lord. FIR was lodged, my lord, alleging that some person are illegally collecting money from dumpers, my lord. On the basis of this FIR, 2 persons were arrested, my lord, and they were produced before the sub-divisional judicial magistrate, Kusaigaon. Bail was granted to them on the day of production, my lord, on personal bond, containing that 41A was violated. 14 is the FIR, my lord. Page 14 is the FIR. Page 41.
19 is a vernacular.
Lordship. Page 22, my lord, page 21 and 22.
So your name is not there in the
I am
FIR.
not named in the FIR.
Why you were apprehending arrest?
My lord, I have been again, in this case, my lord, the learned sub-divisional judicial magistrate directed the SP to take proper action, my lord. Thereafter also, without serving 41 in notice, my lord, they are trying to arrest me, my lord. That is the difficulty. We have made a specific paragraph at paragraph 7, my lord, statement with regard to that paragraph 7. If your lordship takes the page 22 for a moment, my lord. 2 persons were granted. Last 2 paragraph. Accused person were released on PR bond rupees 10,000 each on the condition that it will cooperate with the investigation with the police in conducting the smooth investigation and shall not cause any harm or tamper with it. Also, keeping in view the above mentioned to judgment, I deemed it fit to report the matter to the SP Kokrajhar as the concerned IO has failed to comply with the guidelines as laid down by the Apex Court judgment.
No, this is anticipatory bail petition.
Yes, lordship. But the problem is that they must serve me notice on the 41A before trying to arrest me. That they are not doing it. Let's pay me a specific paragraph to that.
No, are you being searched by police?
Yes, my lord, that is there. That is why I am before your lordship, my lord. I am not even named in the FIR, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, let the city come, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Elal, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Ms. Endas, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Gokaigao PS case number 64 of 2021 under section 387 34 IPC. This application under section 438 services prepared by applicant Anthony Hamram for grant of periods paid. Be it noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one WSI Rosmita Soikia of Gokaigao PS on 21/4/2024. Mr. Lal, have you mentioned the case number in the cause title properly? Gokaigao PS case number 64 of
64.
2021.
Mistake, my lord. It should be 2024, my lord.
Pardon?
It should be 2024, my lord. I may be allowed to correct it by hand, my lord.
No, by hand it is not possible. Not permissible.
Because the
There is
document
a notification of
will
the
file a supplementary affidavit, my lord, on the matter. Additional affidavit or correction for this, my lord. And my lordship, in the case report, there is already the FIR is annexed, my lord.
কি করলো লাইনটা লাইনটা কি করলো
Be it noted here that the above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by WSI Rosmita.
The essence of allegation made in the affair dated so and so is that acting on a tip of on 28/4/2024 at about 4:10 p.m. in the afternoon, the informant along with his staff apprehended two persons, namely Prasanto Hembram and Nizam, and one Nizam SK, who were collecting money from the dumpers and recovered one book and also seized a sum of recovered a sum of rupees 8,350 rupees and seized the same in presence of witnesses. Your name is there in the FIR?
No, my lord, not yet, my lord.
You go through the FIR correct properly.
Lordship. The name is Janek Anthony, my lord. I am.
Hmm?
Anthony
Second
Har-
page of the FIR.
Yes, my lord.
জনৈক এন্থনী নামৰ ব্যক্তিৰ নিৰ্দেশত তেওঁলোকে কাম কৰে।
Lordship. And I am
You are
Anthony
Anthony?
Harbom, my lord.
Huh?
I am Anthony Harbom, my lord. My lord.
Surname is not there, but your name is there.
No,
Anthony?
Janak Anthony and Anthony Harbom, my lord. Surname, name here and Janak Anthony. Anthony is the surname. My name is Anthony. and I am Harbom. Then I will cooperate with the investigation.
Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the case area is found to be necessary, and accordingly it is provided that case area be called for fixing the matter on when, madam?
Lordship, 14th of May, Lordship.
Short date.
Lordship,
One
10th, Lordship,
Having
10th.
regards the nature and
10th of
gravity
May,
of the offense and the
My lord, one
punishment
submission if I
prescribed for
may
nothing.
make, my lord.
This court
If
is
I am
not.
allowed to appear before the investigating officer, my lord, I
This,
can make my statement and they can come with, my lord, why they are wanting to arrest me, my lord, in the matter.
this court is not inclined to extend the privilege of interim period bail at this stage. Short date.
10th May,
Next week.
Lordship. Next week.
10th May.
Your name is there, but therefore we are
Yes,
not
madam.
inclined to grant
My lord,
any
other
relief at
accused
this
has been
stage.
granted 41A violation of. the case,
Maybe.
Item for
sir.
admission,
Okay, that's it.
item number 4.
This is your lordship. My lord, this is a statutory appeal, my lord, against conviction, my lord, of the appellant for the. period
Against
of-
conviction
Yes, my lord, for 7 years, my lord, under section 366, my lord,
under section
366, my lord.
366
Yes, my lord.
and 376.
Yes, 376 means against my lord, appeal number 1, that was not put. My lord, may kindly see, my lord, page 89, my lord. The paragraph number 39, my lord. The prosecution has failed to establish charge against 376 2G against the accused Putul Harmony beyond all reasonable doubt. In the result, the Putul Hatimura is not found guilty under section 376. Accordingly, he is acquitted from the charge under 376 2G of the IPC, my lord. And my lord, the 37 paras 37, my lord, established charge under section 366 and 34 IPC against the appellants, my lord. 3 appellants.
Okay, all right.
But my lord,
Heard, Mr.
I'm G. Alam, my lord, but I
G.
have a
Alam.
prayer for suspension of sentence, my lord. I filed an IA for that effect, my lord. I am praying one thing, my lord. Lordship, if Lordship come to my lord, page 82 once, my lord, in the judgment, my lord, Lordship will find there is no eyewitness to the incident, my lord. So since there is no eyewitness to the occurrence of the case, solely rests on the evidence of the victim, PWT. Therefore, to check the reliability of the version of this victim, we may refer to take help of other prosecution witnesses. Now, my lord, may kindly come to my lord, page, my lord, 87.
Here there was charge under section 376 also.
So it was, my lord.
So at this instance,
My
notice
lord.
will go to
This is
the respondent also.
376 call for a record also, 376 not proved, my lord, against them.
And that's all right.
Yes, my lord. Only 366, my lord.
Mm.
So what I am submitting, my lord, say in para 33, my lord, at page 87, my lord, the court come to an finding, my lord. Lord, you may kindly see, my lord, that as of now it is settled that the accused Putul, means appellant number 1, Deepa Harmony and Bobby Hatimurwa, by taking the advantage of their family relationship with the family of the victim, deceitfully induced the mother of the victim to send the victim with them. Now, my lord, if we read, my lord, the cross-examination of the mother, my lord, at page, my lord, 33, it says that I was not present in my house when Raja, Oli, Putul, Hatimurwa, Deepa Hatimurwa, and Bobby Hatimurwa. This
Okay, we
appellant.
will examine that aspect
Madam.
later on. Okay, heard Mr.
They were
So
not
Learned
present.
Counsel for the appellant. And also heard Mr.
Main-
B. Sharma,
my lord,
learned additional PP for the state respondent.
The main accused, it is evident against them, my lord.
Judgment and order dated 31/5/2023. Passed in session case number 195 within bracket S of 2012 by the learned additional session judge. Additional session judge of which place?
Sipsagam. My lord,
Learned
Sipsagam.
additional session judge Sipsagar
Yes.
is impugned in this appeal under section 374 within bracket 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. It is to be noted here that by the impugned judgment and order, the impugned in this appeal by 3 appellants, namely Shrimati Bobby Hatimurya, Putul Hatimurya, and Deepa Hatimurya. It is to be noted here that by the impugned judgment and order dated so and so, the learned additional session judge Sipsagar has convicted the appellants under section 366A IPC, 366 stroke 34 IPC, and sentence them to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 7 years and also to pay a fine of rupees 3,000 each with default stipulation. Peruse the memo of appeal and the grounds mentioned therein, and also the impugned judgment and order dated so and so. Admit. Call for the record from the Court of Learned Additional Sessions Judge Sipsagar. Issue notice to the respondent. Number 2, by registered post. No, as per notification number 17 dated 15/3/2024 through the learned additional PP. And after causing service of the notice upon respondent number 2, the learned additional PP shall produce a report from the officer in search jurisdictional PS. No formal notice is however required to issue to the respondent number 1 since Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, appears and receive notice. However, extra requisite copy of the petition will furnish to him during the course of the day. List after 4 weeks.
Suspension.
এইখিনি লিখাৰ পিছত লিখিব list immediately after receiving the record from the learned court below. Notice of কথা যেটা দিলাম।
For bail hearing, item 7.
Obliged. Please, Your Lordship. My lord,
Yes.
Item number 7 and 11 are from the same FIR, Lordship. 7 and 11, Lordship. Delegation under section 409 and 365.
Oh, how long you were behind the bar?
40 days as on today. Item number 7, 40 days, 40.
40 days.
Yes, Lordship, as on today.
What is the allegation?
Allegation, Lordship, FIR is at page 9. Allegation is that
Yes,
CD receipt, my lord.
CD receipt.
CD receipt, my lord.
164 is
My lord, 164 statement is here, my lord, and medical report also I have received, my lord.
medical report is also there.
My lord, I have received, my lord.
So is there any material against the present accused? Yes, what is your submission?
My lord. Lordship, on the previous occasion, my learned friends submitted that there is nothing against me under 164, Lordship.
No,
164, there is nothing. Previous occasion, yes.
her date of birth is, my lord, 26/5/2006, my lord.
Hmm.
Her date of birth certificate is there, my lord.
Hmm.
On the date of occurrence, she is 17 years, 9 months and 23 days.
As for birth certificate, what is her age?
My lord, and date of birth 26/5/2006, my lord.
Calculate it.
My lord. 26/5/2006.
Hmm?
Date of occurrence 18th.
In my calculation, Lordship, she is 17 years, 9 months and 23 days.
As per birth certificate.
Yes, Lordship.
So she is a child.
My lord.
Yes, 2 months short, Lordship.
Hmm?
2 months short, Lordship. 2
Hmm.
months short.
Even 1 day short is
Yes,
also.
It Lordship, he is
Hmm,
behind
it
the
is a
bars.
case under POXO Act.
Whether
Hmm.
POXO is
by then this Mukesh Ali. And we are occupying this Mukesh Rahman, son of Faidur Rahman.
So one of your ground is that annexer 2, this irrevocable general power of attorney
Attorney.
was not enclosed in earlier bail application.
I'm not ever married because the lawyer was different then. So my lord, this
No,
Mukesh-
maybe lawyer may be different, but second bail application is only on the ground of change of circumstance in your favor.
yes.
So what are the change of circumstance
The
in
end of
your favor?
circumstances, first one, as I've already said, we are already on the occupation of the land. With adjacent plot, not the plot. Now these Mali informers wants that that a portion of our land should also be given to him.
Oh, Mr. Sharma, that aspect we have already considered after perusing the case diary.
Case diary did.
Now you say we cannot review the earlier order, but we can consider it provided there is change of circumstances.
Well, that's why updated case diary was called, my lord.
Hmm.
And my lord, no, you also will certainly consider, my lord, my submission
No,
that.
thereafter, what has happened
Thereafter,
after rejection of the first petition?
After the rejection of the first petition, my lord, we obtained the documents, my lord,
Hmm.
and it is found, my lord, your lordship has seen that in Annexure 2.
Annexure 2, yes. Hmm.
That, my lord, by virtue of this Mukesh Raman, he is the owner of the land.
Hmm.
And this is registered, my lord, not in the registry office, with all photographs and everything, all details,
Hmm.
with the witnesses.
Hmm.
Rubina Rahman and Mirdul Boro. Yeah. Then you will have 25. All these photographs and everything, identity cards, it is not a fake document. And by virtue of that, my lord, I am acquiring the land.
Hmm.
Now the person, the informant purchased the land, my lord, to in 2023. We are occupying the adjacent plot, man. Just a second. Not the district land. And this man, this Mukesh Rahman, gives another power of attorney to one Himanshu Sharma and my lord, this Hafiz. Yes, twice. They will also come to page 27. He sells the land again to Himanshu Sharma by and Riaz Ali, Tamuddin Riaz Ali, by virtue of the power of attorney given to Himanshu Sharma, page 27. For 20,80,000. I am not there. My name is not alias there. I am not connected.
So according to you, you were not connected with the offense alleged in the FIR.
Yes, my lord. Because well,
Any other ground?
and then my lord, another my lord, this power of attorney has come at page 32 and Annexure 4.
Hmm.
By who is this Israel Haq? I am the Israel Haq, was given power of attorney in respect of let us kindly see the schedule of the land.
Hmm.
Only 15 lesser. So this 15 lesser is in our operation, not one cut of 15 lesser.
Hmm.
By virtue, you will also kindly see page 35.
33, yes.
33, but relevant portion is 35, 33 minus
Hmm.
33. This was given to us by through power of attorney registered in the registry office. Only 15 lesser. And the schedule, I will just check the schedule, man. Just a minute, man. That is what I said. So it is page 26. Just here with me, man. Wait. And the schedule is a little bit different manner.
Hmm.
North, land of Mukesh Sharma, land of Ibrahim Ali, land of Advocate Sikdar, and west 12 feet wide road. This 15 lesser is in our operation now.
Hmm.
This is January 2020.
Hmm.
So how come the Bilamasan filed the FIR you get us arrested. We are already there since 2020. Your common sense, my lord, common knowledge. They allegedly purchased the land in 2023. If they had purchased the land occupied by us, then it matter, case goes in different way.
Hmm.
Then the alternative remedy is either the seller is defrauding them, or they should, if knowingly purchase the land, then they should file the suit against us. Because it is only, my lord, 420 case, punishments are only, my lord,
7 years.
7 years.
Hmm. Okay, we'll see. Madam, you furnish the case diary.
Yes. Because case diary does not exclude all these things. So,
We'll see.
yes. So, my lord, there is, and short note I have made, I can give you.
Ah, you can submit it.
Yes.
Huh.
Because this is bit cumbersome, it's, the documents, allegations,
Okay.
it will certainly lots of problem.
Hmm.
But
Okay.
how
Okay.
does one?
At number 10, then Lordship,
Look at that.
438 application, Lordship, FIR is on page 9, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, CD
Fine.
received.
CD received, my lord. Here is the materials is also available, my lord, against him, my lord, from the statement and complainant and other witnesses, my lord. And
Hmm.
there is a medical report also, my lord. They are presently assaulted the victim person, my lord,
Hmm.
and injuries are there, my lord. One is sharp previous and one is simple, my lord, by blood.
Yes, what is your case?
Lordship, it was about the money, Lordship. Dispute was about the money, Lordship. And Lordship, in section 294 and 323 is there, Lordship. Lordship, available section.
Maybe those are bailable, but 354 is there. Hmm.
Dispute was about the money.
So medical report,
My lord.
what is the nature of the injury? Simple.
No. One is grievous by sharpness and one is simple by sharpness. Simple by plan.
So it is 326.
My lord, it will come.
Hmm. Heard Mr. A. Dekel, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP for the status from that. Pending arrest in connection with Zoria PS case number 69 of 2024 under section 294, 323, 354, 379 IPC. This application under section 438 services prepared by applicant Mansoor Ahmed for grant of the arrest bail. Is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one Simoti X on 27/3/2024. The sense of allegation made in the FIR dated so is that no 26/3, not 24. 26/3/2024. The sense of allegation made in the FIR dated so is that on 26th on that day, Mohammad Mansoor Haq called her over phone to take back her money And when she reached there, then the accused assaulted her by slapping and blowing, and also dressed her, holding her hairs, and taken away her earrings by using slang language. And also assaulted him by means of a piece of wood. Also took away her mobile phone. Mr. Dekar, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that though the case has been registered under section 294, 323, 354, 279 IPC, yet except section 354 IPC, rest of the offences are bailable, and that no offence under section 354 IPC is made out against the present applicant, and that he is ready to go part of the investigating agency, and therefore Mr. Tekna consented to allow the petition. Whereas Mr. B. Sharma, Lord and Additional VP, has produced the case there before this court, and referring to the medical report of the injured informant, Mr. Sharma submits that she has sustained two injuries. One is grievous and one is simple, and both are and the grievous injury was caused by sharp object, and that the IU has also collected sufficient incriminating materials, and therefore Mr. Sharma contended to dismiss the petition. Whether having heard the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, I have carefully gone through the petition and the documents placed on record, and also parents the case area with the assistance of Mr. Sharma, learned additional PP. The case diary indicates that the IU has collected sufficient incriminating materials in support of the allegation made in the FIR. The medical report of the informant, which is available in the case diary, indicates that she had sustained two injuries. One is grievous injury caused by sharp object, and the other one is simple injury caused by a blunt object. Investigation is in nascent stage, and enlarging the and extending the privilege of PRS bail to the applicant at this stage will hamper the investigation, and therefore this petition is dismissed. Case there will be returned.
Item 12.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, here, my lord, with all respect, my lord. FIR, it relates to, my lord, with all respect, my lord, stealing of materials, my lord. And whatever documents we have annexed, my lord, it has been found out, my lord, everything has been recovered. That FIR is at page 15, my lord. 2 persons or more persons entered into the premises and stole away the articles, my lord, did steal away, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, Lordship would kindly, the FIR is at page 15, my lord. It doesn't name anybody, my lord. 2 persons, but thereafter, my lord, more that has been, my lord, incorporated thereafter, my lord. And the stolen articles, my lord, with all respect, my lord, at page 20, everything has been recovered, my lord. And the present accused, my lord, is known to the prime accused who has been arrested, my lord. And we have stated everything in para 5 and 7 of our application. And he's a government employee, my lord. That occurs at page 7, and the certificate is at, my lord, page 24. He's a power pump employee of irrigation department, my lord. Whether his custodial detention is necessary or not, my lord, that lordship would decide.
So firstly, your name is not there in the FIR.
FIR,
And
nobody is
secondly, all the stolen articles have been
recovered.
recovered. And thirdly,
I'm a, my lord, government employee, my lord, that occurs at
Government
page
employee.
24.
where you have been serving?
My lord, irrigation department, my lord. We have stated in that para 7, my lord. Annexure is at page, my lord, 24, my lord.
Mm.
Para 7, I'm reading out, my lord, with all respect, my lord.
Hmm.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Page 5, para 7, my lord. The petitioner begs to state that he is a service holder and the government of Assam in the office of the executive engineer Nalbari Division Irrigation, working as a power pump operator, and in the present petitioner it goes on and on, my lord.
Hmm.
And the official identity card is at page 24.
Okay. Okay, madam, you received the case.
Lordship.
Yes. Case diary furnished to the court master. Will examine.
My,
Item 13. Please, your lordship.
Sarship file, Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, yes, sir.
Yes. What is the number?
Sarship number, Lordship, 76/2024, dated 27/2/2024.
Yes.
Only one liberty, I will file a petition report on unenforced and that may consider in accordance with law, Lordship.
Under section?
Lordship,
406 and 4.
it is not there in the Sarship, Lordship, but it is only under section 420 and 406. It will be there, Lordship,
420?
and 406, Lordship.
So you appear before the IO on COVID? No, not IO, before the court below?
Yes, sir.
Are you on interim?
No, Lordship.
No. COVID?
On 15th May.
15 May. So till 15 May, we will grant you interim protection. Okay.
Lordship,
Yes.
okay, Lordship.
So the court below will consider your petition in accordance with law. Until then, we will grant you interim protection.
Item 14.
Obliged, Lordship.
page please, your lordship.
Yes.
This is the 438 application, my lord. Page 9 is the FIR, that case, my lord, where 200 liters of my lord, oil, my lord, oil. What oil it has not been mentioned in the FIR, my lord. Was recovered from the dhaba, my lord. It's a line hotel type, my lord, dhaba. The petitioner is the owner of the dhaba. And it's 379 sections, my lord, added, my lord, and my,
But you are not supposed to stock the.
my lord, my submission is that, my lord, there was oil, my lord, but it was, my lord, that you burnt mobile, my lord, some burnt mobile, and little bit diesel for using the generator. And it is
For using
yeah, generator, my lord.
generator.
Then mostly it is burnt mobile, my lord. Pura mobile, my lord. Then,
No, that also you are not supposed to stock in your dhaba.
but the pura mobile is there, man. But the burnt mobile, mainly, my lord. These are not stolen things, my lord. 379 may not come, my lord.
Okay, I will see the case.
Lord,
Item 15.
oblige, man.
Case diary received, Lordship.
My lord, may please lordship, my lord, only allegation is that, my lord, for 120B, 406, my lord, and 420, my lord. So, my lord, my humble good lordship, my lord. The FR is lodged in 2021, my lord. Then, my lord, they never, my lord, inquired about me, my lord, during this period. When I was in a custody in different case, my lord, the prayer has been made to make someone arrest, my lord. Thereafter, due to my ill health, my lord, I was in the hospital, my lord, Guwahati Medical College Hospital treatment. That time they prayed for someone arrest, my lord, that will turned on because I was in my lord hospital. Now again, my lord, they are supposed to be, my lord, make a someone arrest by 30, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, supposed to be yesterday, my lord. So I was in, my lord, again under treatment, my lord. So, my lord, on 30, they could not be produced, my lord. So, my lord, again, I was in under treatment. Now, my lord, probably, my lord, in this case, custodial interrogation is not necessary, my lord, because I'm in the custody in different case. They can make any kind of, my lord, inquiry, my lord, about the case also in the, my lord, jail, my lord.
What is that case in connection with which you were in
Yes,
custody?
my lord, lordship may come to the, my lord,
Para number?
just page 15, my lord. This is the FIR, my lord.
Earlier FIR.
Earlier, my lord. This is the, my lord. Earlier, my lord, the present case which may I filed ABU.
No, what is the, which is the FIR of the present case?
This is my 15, page 15, my lord.
Page 15.
My lord.
It starts on page number 14.
My lord, my lord, that heading is in 14, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, may I read, my lord?
No, not necessarily.
Only thing is, my lord, the person who is closed the FIR, my lord, he said that me and another person supposed to make an agreement, he has a vehicle on monthly basis, my lord. Then he approached me, I talked with him, then I denied to do the agreement. Some other person I have informed me that he is a better person, do the agreement with him, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, after making the vehicle has been, my lord, somewhere he has sent, my lord, who has hired a vehicle, my lord, that is accused number 2, my lord. Then thereafter he lost this FIR, thereafter immediately after, my lord, the vehicle has been recovered, my lord. Recovered, my lord. In 2021, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, nothing, my lord, there is no inquiry about by police against me, my lord, nor I do not know whether the Ajit Bora has been registered or not, my lord. So, my lord, after this, they are seeking sound arrest, my lord. So this is a probably, my lord, this is a civil nature. No, my lord, 420B is there, my lord. Other the offense, my lord, 406 and 420 is there. Some extent civil nature, my lord. And vehicle is recovered, my lord, in 2021, my lord. They only this, my lord, this vehicle, my lord, except that nothing, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, sufficient materials against him. Custodial interrogation is very much necessary, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship,
If the vehicle is recovered, why?
Lordship, he also, I have received one report, Lordship.
Hmm.
He also changed the Lordship, RC number, number plate, everything he changed, Lordship.
Of the vehicle.
Yes, Lordship. And so many cases, are against him.
Yes, this is
Lordship.
different, my lord.
And Lordship, one bail objection is also there. I have flag marked everything, Lordship, all the reports, Lordship.
Okay, okay,
Kindly verify, Lordship.
okay,
And Lordship, this is not the fifth case of Lordship providing anticipated bail application.
okay, okay.
My lord, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sornia, we will examine the case. then. We'll
Only
see.
my prayer is that, my lord, custodial interrogation not necessary, my lord. The vehicle has been recovered. Secondly, my lord, the vehicle is immediately, my lord. I think the order is there, my lord. I may also forward this order, my lord.
Hmm,
Immediately after a few days, my lord.
hmm.
It is not that I have sent something as my
Report is there, Lordship, and 164 statement of the driver is also there, Lordship. Sufficient materials there, Lordship.
Okay, we'll
Not
see.
fair the trial, my lord, because
Submit the case.
dispute is vehicle, my lord. That has been recovered, rightly, wrongly. If I am involved also, I'll face trial, my lord.
Hmm,
After
okay.
recovery of the vehicle, except trial, my lord, nothing to be, my lord, investigated.
Hmm.
Item 16.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Please, Lordship, the interim is their Lordship petitioner. After interim, the petition, all the petitioners are appeared before the IO. Interim is recorded.
Yes, madam, you
Lordship,
received the.
CD receipt, they have appeared before the IO, Lordship. But some witness implicated them, Lordship, and now the case is pending for the verification of the authenticity of the NGO.
Hmm.
And Lordship, the authenticity of the certificate of doctor,
Best
Lordship.
10, Lordship.
The case is,
Best 10, the certificate.
Cases-
Best 10.
She has been submitting. Don't
Yes.
disturb at the time of submission by the other side. Sorry. Huh?
Lordship, the case is pending at this stage. Otherwise,
But if they have been cooperating with the investigating agency, then if there is material against them, you can prove it in the court during trial.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
And now,
Learned counsel for the applicants and also heard Miss and thus learned additional PP for the state respondent. Is para number 2 and 3. Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that person to order of this court dated 11/3/2024, by which the privilege of interim period bail was granted to the applicants, they appear before the IO and their statements have been recorded and they have been cooperating with the investigating agency. And therefore, Mr. Ahmed contended that the interim order dated 11/3/2024 may be made absolute in the same terms and conditions. Whereas Ms. Das learned additional PP has produced the case diary before this court and confirmed appearance of the applicants before the IO. However, Ms. Das submits that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials and investigation is going on, and therefore Ms. Das has opposed the petition. Where having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have carefully gone through the petition and the documents plus on record, and also where is the case diary with the assistance of Ms. Das, learned additional PP. The case diary indicates that the applicants have appeared before the IO and cooperating with the investigating agency. Though the IO has collected some incriminating materials against the applicants, yet their custodial interrogation, in the interest of investigation seems to be not warranted here in this case, and therefore this court is inclined to make the interim order dated 11/3/2024 absolute in the same terms and conditions. Case diary be returned.
Deputy Clerk.
17 items.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Lordship, here I have not received the report, Lordship, regarding the date of the section and under which provision the charge sheet submitted, Lordship.
So
I
what
have-
to do?
I have intimated, Lordship, but they have not provided.
Earlier occasion, they submitted submit the
Charge sheet
number. Your
number
Lordship.
is, number is there, Lordship.
Okay, what is the number?
Charge sheet number 37/2020,
The petitioner was interim, Your Lordship.
dated 26/1/2020,
36?
1/24.
That may be absolute, Your Lordship. Earlier,
Pardon?
the petitioner was interim, Your Lordship. Your Lordship kindly maybe absolute, Your Lordship. The charge sheet has submitted, Your Lordship. Is not name affair accused, Your Lordship.
26/1, yeah.
So what is the allegation?
Allegation, Your Lordship.
Where is the FIR?
Affair base 12, Your Lordship. One ceiling fan, Your Lordship.
Pardon?
One ceiling fan. That has already been recovered.
One
The-
ceiling fan.
Oh, yes, Lordship. The two accused is there and one ceiling fan has already been recovered. I'm not involved in this case, Your Lordship, on the basis of Your Lordship. I'm the son of the,
No, the problem is that, madam, whether the present applicant is certified or not.
That is not reflected, Lordship.
If he has not been certified, then there is no point for directing him to appear before the court below.
Lordship, then tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow, whether a single bench is there? No, tomorrow,
Then-
not there.
Fine.
Next week then,
8th, Lordship.
in the meantime,
Ms. Enders learned additional PP submits that she has not received any instruction from the IO in respect of the provision of law under which the search sheet has been submitted and against whom the search sheet has been submitted. And press for granting her some more time. Here is allowed. Recessal is the matter on
8 me.
kindly
When is-
intent maybe.
8. Till then, interim order shall continue.
Obliged.
Okay,
Both sitting will be.